ToyJoy is definitely a one-of-a-kind experience. It's a toy store first, but really it's more of a museum to everything fun. We want our online experience as interactive as possible. We're always looking for new ways to bring our tactile message to the internet. Google Business Photos is really Google Street View for the inside of your business. It's one more way for your customers to experience your store without actually having to leave their computer. And you can come in, you can turn all around, you can look at the ceiling. It really feels like you're there. Google Business Photos was a really easy way to just put more photos of our store up on the internet in a way that's accessible to the majority of our customers. It's just a great way to encourage your customers to click and look and experience. I'm Lizzie. I'm the head toy curator here at ToyJoy in Austin, Texas.